morning. In last video, in the 12th video, we were doing these questions. How to find inverse using elementary operations. So last video we started this 3.4. Okay, we are doing fourth exercise, and find inverse using elementary operations or using elementary transformations. So we were doing this, and fourth question I think we have to continue. It was incomplete in last video. So please see how to find inverse of that matrix using elementary operations. 2, 3, 5, 7. So you know that first we suppose it by A. Then next step we can write A is equal to IA. I into A is A only. 2, 3, 5, 7. What is I? 1, 0, 0, 1 and A. Okay. So already we have discussed how to find inverse of this matrix using elementary operations. So what we have to do now, this is one matrix equation, okay. Now what we have to do, we have to make it 1, 0, 0, 1 in every case. After writing like this, what we have to do? We have to make this 1, 0, 0, 1. Now we make it, yes. This we should make it what? 1, 0, 0, 1. Why? Because if you make it 1, 0, 0, 1, it becomes I. It becomes I is equal to this into A. So this is called what? Inverse of A. Because we know that A into A inverse is I. So all this we have discussed already in 12th video. So now how we make it 1, 0, 0, 1. So last class we discussed that this you make it first 1, then second 0, second step, third step, fourth step. So always you should go that way. So you make it 1 first. So how can I make 1 here? One option is there, we can divide it by 2. So divide by 2, I get 1 here. So always you have to get 1 here. Or the other options, what you can get 1 here first. How that you see? R2 gives R2 minus 2R1. 5 minus 2 to the 4. 5 minus 4, I get 1 here. So what operation I am taking? This is called elementary operation. Elementary operation, right? R2 minus, so R2 will change. Yes, 5 minus 2 2s are 4, 7 minus 2 3s are 6, 1 0, 0 minus 2 1s are 2, 1 minus 0, okay, 2 3 1 1, yes, is equal to what we get? 1 0 minus 2 1, okay. See, here I got 1. Actually I need 1 here, but no problem. If you get 1 here, no, now you interchange them. You know that all these are elementary operations. We can interchange them. So row 1 and row 2 are interchanged. 1 1 2 3. Here also it goes minus 2 1 1 0. Yes, interchange. So when you are doing left side, right side also you have to take. Right side also you have to interchange that. So see, I got 1. First I got 1. Now I have to make 0. So how I get 0 now here, R2 gives, R2 I have to change. R2 minus 2R1. 2 minus 2 ones are 2, I get 0. Yes. So 2 minus 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2 ones are 2, 1 minus minus plus 2 twos are 4, 0 minus 2 ones are 2, like this, 1 0 1 1, minus 2 1 5 2, yes, we got. See, 1 0, now we should get 1 here, you see that, 1 0, then make it, 1 already is there, so now finally we make it 0, so R1 gives R1 minus R2, okay, R1 minus R2, 1 minus 1, I get 0 here, so 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1, minus 2 minus 5, 1 minus minus plus, this is same, yes, so I am getting 1 0 0 1 is equal to 7 3 5 2, so this is called I. So when you are getting what I is equal to, minus 7 3 5 minus 2, so when you got here I, know this is called A inverse, because we know that A into A inverse is I, hence whenever here I is there, this is called A inverse, hence A inverse is this, 7 3 5 2, finished. Clear please? This is the answer, this is called A inverse. See, we can check the answer also. After getting the answer, we got the answer. Now how we check the answer? Yes, after checking the getting the answer, we can check it. So this checking is only for 2 by 2. If A is A B C D, this is only for checking. We use this technique. When A is A B C D, then A inverse is what you know, 1 by AD minus BC, AD minus BC, D minus B minus C A. Yes. Now you got this answer, right? This answer. So I am checking this answer, you see. Here I am showing you the checking the answer. So what is the formula for checking, you know? AD minus BC. You can check your answer. So you should remember this formula. It is AD, right? AD. So it becomes DA in formula. This DA minus B minus C. Okay. So what was the question? A is equal to, the question was what? 2 3 5 7. This was the question. 2 3 5 7. We check the answer now. So here what is A 2, what is B 3, A B C D. Now substitute in this formula, 1 by AD minus BC, AD, yeah, AD minus BC. In formula you substitute, what is D? 7, what is B? 3, what is C? 5, what is A? 2. So what I get, you see, 1 by 14 minus 15, 1 minus 1, 7 minus 3, what is C here? 5, 1 1 cut, minus into everything, minus into all these, minus 7 plus 3 plus 5, yes. Check your answer please, minus 7 3 5 minus 2, so you got, is correct, minus 7 3 5 minus 2. So you can just check the answer also using that formula. Okay. So in competitive exams, suppose if inverse is asking for 2 by 2, you can use this formula for finding the answer. But here when this question comes, to find inverse using elementary operations, then you must explain completely this way using elementary operations. Okay. Yes, so we completed fourth question. After that I will take one or two more questions. Then see, I am taking the 8th question, please. Question number 8. 4, 5, 3, 4. 4, 5, 3, 4. We are doing 3.4 exercise. So you got the idea that how to check the answer also? Yes. So first suppose it by A. 4, 5, 3, 4. Okay. After that we can write A is equal to IA. What is A? 4, 5, 3, 4. What is I? 1, 0, 0, 1. A. So you know that you have to make this 1, 0, 0, 1. How we make this 1, 0, 0, 1? I can take this operation R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2 I get 4 minus 3, 1. Okay. So R1 minus R2. 4 minus 3. 5 minus 4. This is same. 1 minus 0. 0 minus 1. 0, 1. Yes. Then what I get? 1, 1. 1, 1, 3, 4. 1 minus 1, 0, 1. Yes, this we got. Now I have to get, first I got 1, now I have to make this 0. So R2 gives R2 minus 3R1. R2 minus 3R1, because 3 minus 3 ones are 3, I get 0. 3 minus 3 ones are 3, 4 minus 3 ones are 3, 0 minus 3 ones are 3, 1 minus minus plus 3 ones are 3. So what we are getting? 1, 0, 1, 1. 1 minus 1 minus 3, 4. Yes. See, you got 1, 0, 1. Now make it 0 last. So R1 gives R1 minus R2. 1 minus 1, 0, no? 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 1 minus minus plus 3, minus 1 minus 4, R1 minus R2, okay? 1, 0, 0, 1, finished. 4, 5, 3, 4, this is I. 4 minus 5 minus 3, 4. This is called what? Because we know that A into A inverse is I. So this is called A inverse. Therefore, what is A inverse? This 4 minus 5. Yes, we got the answer. Now we check the answer. Checking. Answer we can check. A is 4, 5, 3, 4. So what is A inverse? AD minus BC. D minus B minus CA. What is A? 4. This is A, B, C, D. See, A, B, C, D. So substitute AD. 4 into 4. BC. 5 into 4. Minus 5. Minus 3. 4. 16 minus 15. 1. 1, 1 cut. 4, 5, 3, 4. Check your answer. 4, 5, 3, 4. So is correct. Got it? You can check the answer also using this technique. Checking the answer. So we are doing 3.4. So there are 14 questions. Question 1 to question 14 of 2 by 2 matrix. How to find inverse? So it's very important question. This can be asked for 4 mark. Okay. So from between 1 to 14 we are doing some questions. Remaining questions you can try. Okay. So say I am doing 10th question. 3 minus 1. Now 10th question. 3 minus 1 minus 4 2. Yes. So first you suppose it by what? A. 3 3, 1, 4, 2. After that we can write 3, 1, 4, 2. We can write A is equal to IA. What is A? 3, 1, 4, 2. I is 1, 0, 0, 1. A. Now you know that we have to make this 1. So you should think that how can you make this 1? Okay, I can get 1 here first. See, I can get 1 here first. R2 gives R2 plus R1. Or you can take this operation also. R1 gives R1 plus R2. No problem. R1 plus R2, 3 plus minus 4, what you get? 3 plus minus 4, minus 1. So R1 will change. R1 plus R2, 3 plus minus 4, minus 1 plus 2, this is same. 1 plus 0, 0 plus 1, yes. After that, see what you are getting? Minus 1, 1. We have taken R1 plus R2, minus 4, 2. This is what? 1, 1, 0, 1, yes. Now we need here 1. So R1 gives minus 1 into R1. This is possible. By any non-zero number you can multiply. So I want to multiply it by minus 1 so that it becomes plus. Plus 1, minus 1. See, R1 multiplied by minus 1. So minus minus plus, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. R2 will be same. Okay? Yes. So I got 1 here. This is 1. Now I have to get 0. So first we make 1, 0, then 1, then 0. Always. So how I get 0 here? R2 gives R2 plus 4R1. See, minus 4 plus 4 ones are 4, I get 0. So R2 plus 4R1. 1 minus 1 minus 4 plus 4 ones are 4. 2 plus 4 ones are minus 4. Okay. R2 will change. 0 plus 4 ones are minus 4. 1 plus 4 ones are minus 4. Yes. So what I am getting, you see, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 4, minus 3. Yes. Next step. I got 1, 0. Now I have to get 1 here. 1. Third step. So how I get 1 here, you know? This is possible, you see. R2 gives R2 divided by minus 2. You can divide by any number also. You can multiply by any number, you can divide by any number. So how can I get 1 here? R2 divided by minus 1. Now R2 divided by minus 2. 1 minus 1. 0 by minus 2. Minus 2 by minus 2. Minus 1, minus 1. Minus 4 by minus 2. Minus 3 by minus 2. Yes. 1, 0, 1. Minus 1, minus 1. Minus minus cut 2. Minus minus cut 3 by 2. Yes. See, last step. You got 1, 0, 1. Now I have to get 0 here. Last. Because you should get 1, 0, 0, 1. How can I get 0 here? R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2, 1 plus 0, minus 1 plus 1. R1 plus R2, yes. 2, 3 by 2, A. So what I am getting, 1, 0, 0, 1. 1. 2 ones are minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1 by 2. Finished. So this is I. This is I and this is same. You know that this is called A inverse. 1, 1 by 2, 2, 3 by 2. This is answer, please. Clear? See, you can check your answer. We check the answer also now. So how we check the answer? A inverse is equal to 1 by AD minus BC. D, B, C, A. This is checking the answer. Yes. Here what is A? 3. What is B? -1. C -4. D 2. We substitute in this. AD minus BC. See, minus D. T is 2. B is -1, so +1. Minus plus 4. A is 3. So what I am getting? 6 minus only 6 minus 4 2. This is saying 2 1 4 3. No, 2 by 2. You know, 2 ones are 2 by 2, 1 ones are 1 by 2, 4 ones are 4 by 2, 3 ones are 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 3 by 2. Check the answer is correct. 1 by 2, 2 3 by 2. See, the answer is correct. You can check your answer by this technique. So we completed 10th question also. Yes. Now see, 12th question. Yes. I am doing one more question. 12th. 6 minus 3 minus 2 1. This is question number 12. So how to find inverse of 2 by 2 matrix? All these cases. Question 1 to question 14, you know, all 2 by 2 cases. Okay. So first we suppose by A, then we can write A is equal to IA. What is A? 6 minus 3 minus 2 1, 1 0 0 1. Yes. Okay. So what we do always, we make this 1 always. So you should try that how can you get 1 here. Okay. So for getting 1, sometimes you will not get the idea. Then you can, what you can do, you know, you can take this operation R1 divided by 6, because I need 1 here always. We need 1 here, 0. We need like this, no, 1 0 0 1. So R1 divided by 6 you can take like this also. So 6 by 6, 3 by 6, 1 by 6, 0 by 6. Yes. So what I am getting? 1 by 2, minus 2 1, 1 by 6 0 0 1. Yes. See, in every sum what we are doing, after getting 1 we make this 0. So how can I make this 0 here? Now I have to get 0. So by this application, R2 plus 2R1. Am I right? R2 plus 2R1 minus 2 plus 2 ones are 2, 1 plus 2 ones are 2 by 2, 0 plus 2 ones are 2 by 6, 1 plus 2 into 0 0, 1 0 minus 1 by 2. See, I got 0. 2 to cut, 1 minus 1 0. 1 by 6 0, 2 by 6 1 by 1. Yes. See, this question we get a new thing. What, you know, after getting 1 I got 0, then now I have to make this 1, you know, right? But when you get all the elements of any row all 0, then you can never make this 1 0 0 1. We can't make it, because we got 2 zeros of all the elements of row 2 are zeros. So it means what? Its inverse does not exist, not possible. Now you can't get 1 here, impossible, because you got continuous 2 zeros. When you get continuous 2 zeros, no, all the elements of row 2 0, or all the elements of column 1 or column 2 0, if you get like this, if you get 2 zeros like this or 2 zeros like this, what is the meaning of that? A inverse does not exist, not possible. That's why sometimes you see in question heading will be there, find inverse using elementary operations if exists. Yes, if exists then only you have to find out. So here A inverse does not exist. Reason? As all the elements, what is the reason? All the elements of row 2 R2 are zeros. So that's why its inverse not possible. Okay, so sometimes you will not get the inverse also, keep in mind. So by this we completed 2 by 2 questions. So remaining questions, see 13, 14 from textbook, you know, 13, 14 you can try. Whatever the questions I have not done, you can do it yourself and check the answer backside. In next video, we start how to find inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. Now what we have to start? How to find inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. See, how to find inverse of 2 by 2, you know, it's 4 mark question. It's 4 mark. How to find inverse of 3 by 3 matrix? That is 6 marks question, long question that is. So that we'll do in next video. Okay, so today we stop this video 13. So remaining questions please try yourself. Thank you.